Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. Today I'm going to show you how to turn your photo into a trending Y2K photo with a spooky Halloween horror twist. So let's get started. First, just open Google Gemini. You can open it through the web or through the app like this, and then next just log in with your Google account. And when you're logged in, just tap on create image, or you can also tap on tools icon and then create images like this tool is super easy to use even if you are new, and it will let you generate amazing images instantly using just prompts. And next, just upload your photo that you want to transform. Make sure the face is clear because we will preserve it exactly as it is. Just tap on plus button and then gallery and then just choose your photo. And then next, let's type a prompt. Here's where the magic happens. But before, I already prepared one prompt like this. You can just copy my prompt, but feel free to tweak the prompt as you like maybe you can describe the details of the outfit, the environment, and the lighting, and many more. Just feel free to create your own spooky Y2K photo. Next, I will just copy my prompt and then go back to Gemini, and then just paste it, and when you're done, just tap on generate. And okay, like this. Just look at this. The photo perfectly blends dreamy Y2K styles with Halloween horror vibes, and the shadowy figure over here, it looks so creepy. And then the details of the environment, there are a pumpkin glow and then retro details all come together beautifully. And okay, maybe that's it. You have just turned a simple photo into a trending AI creations with Y2K aesthetic and spooky Halloween horror vibes. Just try it yourself. And if you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.